Good evening. My name is Eunice Turns, and I'm a driving instructor with The Next Street Driving School. I come to The Next Street straight from the off-Broadway stage where I starred as the lead in the female version of Fiddler on the Roof. I am a classically trained actress, singer and dancer, and I studied at the prestigious Yale School of Drama. Brandon at The Next Street hired me because he needed someone with passion to teach these very important lessons. I treat every lesson as if it's a performance in Macbeth or my 11 o'clock power ballad in Les Miserables. Brandon is giving me my own documentary series here on Talk Talk.
525,600 K turns! Are you filming? Why are you filming all this? I needed content.
He believes my experience and talent to empathize with the human condition is exactly what these students need to witness in order to succeed.
Get out the stress, get out the demons!
Who hired this woman?